This tutorial is regarding the LangChain agent. So, I have created one LangChain agent where we can make a request, like we will give the prompt that they can, you know, they can analyze the web news and the financial stock market historical data, and then they can correlate the current news with that historical data or current historical data, and based on the current AI output analysis, they can predict the future stock price for the particular company. So that's how this AI trading agent is going to work. So we can just connect the MCP of Groww server or Zerota server, whichever you are using. We can connect the MCP tool for the particular broker company, and then we also need to connect the web search tool. We can utilize the Tavely or the other web search tools. And we can also connect the file system MCP. So, we can utilize these all things, and as a system prompt, we can put like you are the financial advisor expert, and you can use the Groww MCP to fetch the historical data or current company stock price data, and they can use the web search tool for to fetch the current news for particular companies or to particular sectors. And then in the prompt, we can say just fetch all these details and then correlate between their relationship, and then give the output, like which company is best suited to buy the stock, and then which time we have to sell it to achieve the maximum profit. So by this architecture, we can create the trading agent, and we can provide the prompt. We can create a cron job or else, and then with the help of cron job, then we can even ask about to create an obsidian vault. And every time when this cron job is being triggered, AI will search the news and train the historical data, then put all the output into some file, some vault, obsidian vault. So we can also observe what AI is doing. And this is going to be the autonomous agent over time. In every 30 minutes or every 50 minutes, it is going to be triggered. It will accumulate all the data. Then it will give the best suited company to buy the stock or sell the stock to get you the maximum profit. Thank you.